Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have another unboxing for you. And we have a few pieces that just came today, and as you can see probably on my back or beside me is you already have an idea of what it is, and it is the Balenciaga CT Metallic Edge, and this is in beige color with silver tone hardware. As you can see, this is not the classic arena leather that they do. This is in, I think, calf skin. So this is in beige with silver tone hardware. And to the left we have some pieces from YSL Saint Laurent Paris, and comes with this box here and the authenticity card. And so this is the first one is a sort of bluette, dark navy, smooth leather with silver tone, brushed silver tone. So this is like ruthenium. No, ruthenium is darker. So this is brushed silver hardware, and the leather is in smooth leather. And beside it is another card holder, but this is like a stitched, like chevron stitched design, and this is with gold tone hardware. It's like a shiny gold tone hardware, and it's beveled, so it's kind of like caviar leather from Chanel. So these are the two card holders from Saint Laurent. And over here we have twins. You're not seeing double, but they are two sets. So the first one is the Louis Vuitton card holder, card case in the damier graphite. Okay, damier graphite. So this is from the men's line, and as you can see, comes with the boxes and dust bag as always. I'm not 100% sure the name of this particular model, but I think this is like envelope. Oh, you can see envelope card, carta vista, damier graphite. So it's technically business card case. So you have the Louis Vuitton Paris made in France, and the interior is in like leather. I think this is in taiga. So that is that. We have two of that, and here we have the Dior saddle card holder in the what's the name of this, oblique print. So this is in canvas with the aged gold hardware. So just doing some close-ups. This came in two different boxes because I picked them up in two different stores. So one of the stores gave me the white box, and the other one gave me this really nice this is not Toit de Jury. I don't know what this print is. I think this is from the what's the name of that, Christmas packaging a few years ago. So yeah, this is how it looks like. On the back there's a pocket, and the sides are in leather trimmings, blue leather trimmings. It is a snap button closure. So you have the Christian Dior Paris. Focusing. Focus. Okay, there we go. And we have the tags and authenticity cards here. Authenticity card. Let me check actually what the tag says. I'm not sure if the code is written here. Oh yeah, there you go. Saddle small canvas, blue multicolor. So that is the tag of this card holder. So yeah, it's basically the same, and this is the same too. So yeah, this is our haul for today. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.